beautiful Tuesday, May 16th, and we are going to be catching Ethan doing some repairs on this F-150. Ethan.
Hello.
All right. So I see that you circled some damage with the pink paint pen.
Yep.
Explain to me what you're going to be doing when you're fixing this.
Alright, basically there was a couple rocks that kind of hit the inside of the bed, and all we're going to do is tap in the highs and then use the body filler to fill in the lows. Tap in this high and tap this out. Make sure it's all lined up correctly, sand it down, make sure it's all flat. And then basically all we're doing here is sanding it out and making it look pretty.
Yep. And I am confident we'll be able to do that. So now everybody that's watching this is going to see what some of the repairs are here. You think that this is kind of something standard? We get a lot of stuff that we fix with the same methods.
Oh yeah, every time.
Yep. I wish that we could have got some video of it on the frame rack so everybody can see. Here's the other side. I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera. All right. Let's see you tap it.
So first thing we want to do is we want to decide what kind of hammer we use. So basically for these ones I'm going to use the flathead first.
It's the Thor hammer.
What?
It's the Thor hammer.
The Thor hammer? Okay. No, actually I have that one back in the box.
Oh, okay.
It has Thor written on it.
Really? Well, there you go.
Alright, so all I'm doing is putting a wedge, one of these metal things,
Okay.
behind the plate to make sure there's backing behind it. That way I'm not tapping it too far.
Gotcha.
Alright, so basically that's tapped down.
Yep.
And we want to make sure we didn't create any kind of oil can, which oil can basically means the metal's kind of like really flimsy.
Right.
So, which it's not.
Right.
So that means I did it correctly.
Oh, well, good. We're live.
And so I'll move on to the top one now, make sure I can get that out without causing any kind of like any of the metal to kind of like move down like to where this one was.
Gotcha.
Now that I got it basically where I want it, just for safety's sake and for to make the metal like kind of make the metal relax a little bit, I'm going to use the shrink hammer and make it better.
Yep. Squeaky clean, look at that.
And that's basically how you fix it. Now, grab one of these. Now we use a sand block.
Sandlot, I like that movie.
To make sure it's all flat and there's no high spots.
Alright.
So, should I be doing this with a mask on?
Yes.
Yeah.
If that's what we're required. Yeah, that and then the glasses, do the whole 9.
I did grab the glasses.
Safety first, kids.
Even if it is very annoying.
Yep. You forgot your hazmat suit.
I knew there was something I forgot.
Dang it!
I knew there was something I forgot.
Dang it!
Alright.
You scratch the paint. Why are you scratching the paint?
Basically, I'm scratching the paint to find out if there are any other high spots around the spots that I just tapped out.
Gotcha.
Now, basically what we can see is it's low here, and this area here where I was tapping it out looks pretty good. All I have to do is throw some bottom on it and it's good.
Perfect.
That turned out pretty good.
Yep.
Now I can move on down to here and we'll fix this one.
Nope. Use your headphones though. So you don't hear. Huh?
I'm gonna move on to this one, and then after this one, I'm gonna move on to that one.
Alrighty.
So this is the same process. I'm gonna choose my hammer.
Hammer of Ethan.
Yep.
You know the e-cigarettes? That's the e-hammer.
move on to the other one. And I gotta figure out how to get in there. Okay,
With a lot of persuasion.
yeah, it would help if this isn't in the way.
Aren't I the exhaust?
That would be a pain in the ass. Alright. I'm gonna wear this stuff just because I don't want dirt flying in my face or my nose or my mouth.
Makes sense. It's a good call.
Yeah.
Safety first. Laying down on the job.
That's the perks of the perks of the trade. Alright.
Can you even see it on that side?
You wanna look?
We'll try.
It's right there, that hump right there.
I didn't see it. Hopefully the camera got it.
Yeah, that's a lot of dirt.
Yes, it is.
Alright.
Exhaust problems.
Yeah. So now you go home and take a shower, right?
Yeah. We'll continue shooting tomorrow.
Okay. So what I was going for was to tap it out just a little bit out.
Right.
I was trying to get it flat was my goal.
Right.
But since I can't do that with as hard as it was hit, I tapped it out. That way I can get a better access on this side to tap it in.
Right.
So that's what I will do. Obviously I'm tapping a little harder than I was on these panels
Right.
because this is a curved area. It's not flat like the other one.
Right.
So now I'm going to see if my hammering paid off by sanding it, just like I did up there.
And if it didn't?
I will tap it out again.
Alrighty. What grit is that sandpaper?
The grit for that sandpaper is 80 grit.
Why are you using 80 grit compared to any other?
The scratches are more noticeable.